Hey everybody, today we are going to do a quick little training about how you can have videos for your listings. So when you log in here to the Netris dashboard, everybody has access to something called Property Panorama. If you've never set it up, you should definitely go in and create your profile. It is free. It comes with your membership into Netris. And when you click on Property Panorama right here, you're going to land on a page right here. And after you've set your profile up, it's going to have your little picture up here. And this is my dashboard. So when you're on your dashboard, you can see all of your listings. And here's some great stuff that you have. If you want to click and look at all the information, or you want to promote a listing, you can even do ad campaigns in here, paid ads. You can get statistics on how many views your listings are getting, things like that. But if you will click on this little share button down here, it will show you a link to your branded or unbranded copy of your virtual tour. So I'm just going to click on a branded one real quick. I guess I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to paste it so you can see what it looks like. You have the ability to change some of the audio in here. You can even go in and change the information that is available. That's going to pull directly from the MLS, but you have the option to make those changes if you want to. So once you've got that there, please note you also have flyers. You can again advertise your listing. You can share your listing over here with your virtual tour, but your listing video, that video that I just showed you, there's a link here where it's on YouTube, but you can also come right here and you can download a copy and it's going to put it on your desktop or wherever it is that you want to save that to. And when you click on download, it's going to download the video for you in a MP4 format. Now, once you have that downloaded, you now own it, right? And you can share that on your YouTube or your Facebook, or you can save it and give it to your client, whatever you want to do. But the cool thing about downloading it is if you don't download it, once your listing has sold, the link to the video up here, this link's not any good anymore. They turn it off once the listing's no longer active. But if you want to make sure that you keep that video forever, you would want to download that MP4 right here. So anyway, I just think this is a great opportunity. There's no extra cost to you. You do get the ability to have that virtual tour, which is going through all of your photos and scanning through those and obviously providing lots of great information and branding it to you. And I hope this information helps you with your marketing. Have a great day.